Good early morning. I think it's about, what's the time? 20 past 8. We do have rain coming, so all my potatoes are gone to sleep, finished. So I thought with the rain coming, we better get in and get all these potatoes out before they decide that they're going to rot on me, which will more than likely happen. So I'm going to do it nice early morning so we don't get too hot. What is today? Saturday. So, what do we got? Saturday the 17th. So I'll probably add this video to another one I do later on when we go down and do the creamers another day. But I thought, well, I said I was going to show you what's underneath, so we'll get on and do that. Right. You can see they're just sitting there. They're not too dirty either, just quite nice. Get a lot of little ones. I'll put them in the bag anyway, and then don't really want them left in here. See, they're just sitting in here. It's just a matter of pulling them out. No digging required. So I like the system. Just got to find the name for these potatoes because they did the best. Look at those, nice size. Yeah. I'll go through and pull them all out. Oh, just sitting there. All the way down. Right, so I just went through and double checked it all, and then that's nearly, so that's a 10 kg bag of potatoes that I brought, and I thought I'll keep the bag, but that's just about full. We're only a small family, so we don't need that much. Those ones are a bit damaged. I think slug damage on that one. You can see them. So that's what I didn't want happening after it rained. I need to go and get another bag, and then we'll see and have a look, see how the reds did in this kind of condition. Oh, one's trying to get away. Yeah, I can see a few there. Not as big as the white ones. So, yeah, and quite tight bunches. Oh, some of them are pretty good size. Okay, so I'll go and get some, I think I've got some bags somewhere. I'll go and grab some of those, and then we'll do the rest and get all the rest of the reds up. Right, all done. They've got that and that. They're not as big as the white ones, but that's alright. Potato salad and stews and whatnot, got nice little potatoes in them. But to be quite honest with what I got, so those 2 bags plus that one, for very hard ground and the conditions they've had to deal with this season, I think I'm pretty happy with that. That should keep my family going for a bit, and that's all that matters. So, very impressed. And I'll catch you guys probably Monday when I do the Coomera. Good Monday morning. I will not be doing the Coomera patch today. The weather has turned. We've actually even got a heavy rain warning for later on today, so we'll see how that goes. So what I'll be doing today is probably just doing some preserving and staying out of the weather, and we'll see how the next couple of days goes. It's supposed to be quite a bit of rain the next few days, so yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the picking of all the potatoes, which, see, I'm glad I did that. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.